Welcome back to goldfries. In this video, we'll be looking at the Maxsun RTX 2080 Super iCraft 8G. Now, you might be thinking, hey, this is a little late, right? Well, it's just too bad I managed to get the RTX 2080 Super now. But hey, no harm checking out the RTX 2080 Super because you can expect them to be on sale soon because of the upcoming 30 series. Now, what's going to pique your interest more, I believe, is actually the brand Maxsun. Now, why have you not heard of it? Well, it's a brand in China, established in 2002, and it's one of the top brands there. And yes, they've been around for almost 2 decades. Their OEM is Palette Microsystems, which is responsible for being also the OEM for brands such as Colorful and Galax. So, without further ado, let's see what does this card has to offer. The RTX 2080 Super iCraft is a pretty looking graphics card. It only has RGB LED on the iCraft branding at the top side of the card. The card comes with 3 fans, one 9cm fan at the middle, and the side fans are 8cm. Here's the performance of the RTX 2080 Super iCraft at 1440p, which I think is a good resolution to test an RTX 2080 Super graphics card, of which it performs just as expected. Now, the thing I like about this card is the cooling. Running it at 50% RPM and with Untitled Super Precision 1080p Extreme, the RTX 2080 Super iCraft holds the temperature below 80 degrees Celsius, which is admirable. Ramping up the RPM to 100%, I saw the maximum temperature was only 62 degrees Celsius on the same test. The shroud on the RTX 2080 Super iCraft doesn't cover all the way, so you have the heatsink fins exposing towards the PCB side, which will help when it comes to pushing out hot air. The Maxsun RTX 2080 Super iCraft 8G also comes with a gorgeous looking backplate that stretches from the front to back. Alright, that's all for my review for the Maxsun RTX 2080 Super iCraft 8G. Now, if you are looking to buy a graphics card right now, this might be a good option. It retails at RM3,199 over here in Malaysia, which I think is a good price point for an RTX 2080 Super graphics card, and one that is with pretty much no fancy RGB LED and cools very well. It gets a gold badge from me. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.